In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to delete a partition on Windows 11 operating system. Simply head to your File Explorer, under the section of this PC. Let's say this is the partition I want to delete. Just right-click onto the option of this PC. Select on Show More Options. Click onto this very first option of Manage. On this page, navigate onto the option of Disk Management. It's just under Storage. So guys, this is the volume F we want to delete. Simply right-click onto it and select on Delete Volume. Click on Yes to successfully get deleted. The volume will get deleted, but we may also want to restore this disk space as well. So to remove this, just click on your local disk. In this case, mine is C. Right-click onto it and select on this option of Extent Volume. On this mini page, click on Next. This is the disk storage. Click on Next and select Finish. It will disappear, and you will have created enough space in case you want to create new partitions on your computer. That's how easy it is to delete new volume partition on Windows 11 operating system. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.